get some opinions. Opinions on my new creation.
I can't see.
My hat camera. It's for video, so I could go drive with it on my head. It'll look good. It's extremely uncomfortable.
I can see, just be careful.
Pouring rain. But we got the Beamer. As you can see, I got clear, yeah, dude, I'm getting fucking drenched. Oh yeah, baby. Kick the lights on. Chat, we're golden. If you're not driving responsible, then why don't you go ahead and log off for me? That rattle is absolutely fucking infuriating. Jesus fucking Christ. Oh my God. Wow. I don't know if you could tell through the camera, but that was fucking horrible. Alright, we're gonna drop it in the sport mode. Maybe we'll skid right here, I don't know. Oh yeah. She picked up, she got some speed on her. Fuck you, I'm going in front of you, suck dick. What the fuck is that truck doing? Jesus Christ, bro just tried to sandwich me into the wall. Sound alright. I'm gonna kill traction real quick and see if we can get a little slide out on this corner. No one coming. You know, this is all CGI Mexico. Oh yeah, there we go. Definitely broke loose there. Move it, motherfucker. Let's go. Chop, chop, pussy. Oh yeah. Success, little highway rip, nothing too fucking crazy, you know. It is what it is. Hopefully the footage came out okay. Hopefully it's not terrible. Yeah, I guess I'll find out when I get inside.